Kain kami na siya. Pabigyan mo naman si Mami. Can I bite also? Ayaw pala. Kay Jasa lang pala yan. Sige na nga, kay Jasa lang. Akin na. Akala ko. Nagalit-ulit. Sabi ko kasi, bite lang naman. Bumili po kami ng 3N. Sa ano po, ay 3N. Siopaw. Toasted tsaka yung steam. Dito po kami sa 3N. Sikat po yan dito sa Naga. Ayan. Sarap kasi yan. Jasa na. Bebe muna tayo. Pick upin natin si Daddy. Bibigyan niyo daw po si Resi. Oo.
Ma'am, do one.
Kagat mo si Mami, please. Isang kagat lang.
No.
Thank you. Bait mo naman. Love you.
Ma'am,
Give natin si Resi, okay? Thank you, Jasa. Resi, wait for us. Jasa will give you, siopaw. What do you call that?
Siopaw.
Ay, very good. Galing talaga ni Jasa. Siopaw. Good girl. Pick up mo na si Daddy. What? Dalawa po ang ano po si Mami? I'm driving. Accident. Give it to Freya. Come on. Sit back, baba, so you can rest your back. Come on. Give mo na kay Resi. Yeah, one for Freya. And one for Jasa.
No.
Baby Freya.
No, the Freya?
I said yes. Mommy said
No,
yes.
the Freya.
Give it to Freya.
Freya.
Sit back na baba so you rest your back. Sit back. Rest. That's it. Take a rest. Favorite ka ng Jasa talaga. Siopaw. We will pick up Daddy and again. Where do you wanna go now? Where do you wanna go today?
No, the Freya.
Can you just stay home?
No, the Freya.
Ayaw?
The Freya.
I wanna give to Freya. Jasa like siopaw.
Mama,
Sabi mo nga baba. Siopaw. Jasa can say siopaw. Sabi, cute naman. Again, sabi mo nga ulit. Again. What's that? Okay naman eh. I said, Mommy said yes. Give it to... Ay, don't push baba. I'm driving. We're gonna accident. Mamatay tayo. Yes, give it to Freya, okay? One for Freya and one for Jasa. Hands off lang baba. Hands yourself. Only Jasa, yeah, of course. Only Jasa. Okay, John also. So we have to buy more.
No.
Now push yung baba. Hands to yourself, man. Good girl nga si Jasa. Good girl. Sige nga. Ayan, may school ni Diana. That's two, ano yun? Little Wonders. Learning Center. Tapos si Ben. Nag-aaral din si Ben. Kuya Manoy. Yeah. Ano po? What happened? Get water.
More
bread?
More bread, more.
Gonna buy more? Gonna buy more? Your bread.
More bread.
Okay. Just wants more bread. There.
Wait, babe.
Hungry ka? Hungry? Are you hungry? So hungry. There's another one. Sige na. You can get it. You can get it, baba.
No, Dad,
You wanna give it to Dad? The other one? Okay. This is the first street. Going down na kami.
No.
Sige na, open na.
Mom, no.
Mommy will help.
Mom,
What?
the only no, Imbo.
I stop, Baba, rubbing your eyes. Come on, refrain, rubbing eyes.
Mom, no, the only.
You can give it to
No,
Eunice.
the only.
Yeah, you can give it to Eunice, Baba.
No, deep toe, mom, deep toe,
yeah.
mom, deep toe,
Yeah.
mom, deep toe,
Let me
mom,
drink first. Let me
mom,
drink
deep toe,
first.
mom. Mom, deep toe,
Ay,
oni.
yung Coke si
Oh,
Eunice. Mag-Coke
Oni.
na naman kami. Diyos ko po. Siyempre, inumin natin to. Oh my gosh. Wait, ang baba.
Oto. Oto.
Yeah, I'll give you.
Oto.
I'll give you. This is yours.
Deep, oni.
Excuse me. A little bit ba na taste? Ano, sobrang naman.
Awa.
My God, natabunan na tuloy tayo. My goodness. Natapon tuloy yung Coke. Oh.
Di, odi.
Yeah. Show pa muna.
No, di ready?
Yes.
On the deep ready?
Nabasa ako. Ito talaga. Nabasa si Mama.
No, di
Wow.
Mom, di oni, ato, o oni, ato, o oni. Ato, o oni. To, o oni.
Yes po.
Di oni.
You're gonna give
Ebe, oni, ebe.
You're gonna give
O
to
oni,
Eunice.
be.
Sige na.
Ma'am,
Nabasa ako.
no, di oni, ma'am, di oni.
Wait lang, buti wala naman dito.
Di oni, ma'am, di oni.
You're gonna give to Eunice.
Ato, ana, oni, ato,
Diyos ko po.
oni,
Ano yun ba?
no, oni.
And then, we'll give it to Eunice. Come on. Ako tuloy na sobrang dito. Ay, sobrang ako niyan. Kasi nakita niya
Ma'am,
eh,
di oni,
sa
ma'am,
bakery. Kaya hindi ko masyadong
Wow.
na-stop siya. Baka
Di oni, wow.
magalit eh.
Oh, di, ayun,
Give to Eunice na, give to Eunice. Okay?
Oni.
Ako nasusobrahan pag ganyan.
Dito.
Kasi iniinom ko
Oni.
more than half. Talaga.
Dito, oni.
Ah?
Dito, oni.
Yeah, give to
Ebe,
Eunice. Basta si Mami.
No, be, oni, be.
Siopaw
Oni.
yan, baba. Siopaw.
No, deep,
Oh,
oni.
say, what do you call that?
Papa.
Sio?
To.
Sabi mo. Yeah, siopaw.
No, di oni, ma'am.
Hmm?
Di oni, no, oni, di oni.
Basang-basa.
Ma'am, di oni, deep,
I
oni.
give it to Eunice, okay?
Water.
Water, lamig ng basa. Eunice. So we'll give you, ay may mga bata.
Deep.
Nabasa ako, grabe.
Ah.
Nabasa.
Deep.
Sige.
Ah.
Oh, you wanna give the kids? Huh? You wanna give the kids?
No.
Are you sure? What
No.
do you call that building? What do you call that building?
No.
Ano ba? It's okay. So,
Dad.
huh?
Dad.
What do you call that?
Dad. Dad.
We're gonna pick up Daddy now.
No.
Ayan, malapit na kami sa house. Ayan, malapit na kami sa house. Ito yung lugar namin. Kaya, dandahan lang kami. Ay, naku, nakainom siya ngayon. Katakot. Nakakatakot. Baka mamaya hindi makatulog. OMG. Ay, hindi naman yan. Ano ba? You will sleep tonight? Hmm? Yeah. Naku. Ayan, here we are. So,
baby.
na tayo. Si baby, oh. Give siya pa, baby naman.
No.
Oh, what man?
No.
Cry yan.
No.
No. No.
De, mom, de. A mom, de.
What's
A
that?
mom, tawe.
Tissue.
No.
Give you na. Ayun, nakita niyo naman yung tissue. Diyan sa talaga ko, makita sa bag ko. Kaya dahil ka-close ko nga to. At talagang kinukuha yung gamit ko. Makita niya, kaya nihingi niya. Oh, call dad ha. You call dad. Come on. Call. Call na. Tell dad. Come on.
Daddy.
You have to call. Dad, na call dad. Shout. Ano ba?
Dad.
Shout.
Dad.
More. Cannot hear you.
Dad.
Louder. Come on. Because we're going there. Robinson, call dad. Shout.
Di oni, apo.
I know what you want. But
No,
you have to
deep,
call your dad.
Mom, deep oni, apo, o oni, po, oni.
Okay, give it
Po.
to Eunice.
No, where po, bibi oni po.
It's in your bag. Oh, call dad now. Dali na, call dad. Come on. Call dad. Sige ako, barb na ako ng barb. Grabe na inom ko yung more than ng coke ni Jazz. Oh my goodness. Oh, call dad na baba. Then, here, kawawa ka naman. Ano ka, makukuba ka na talaga, baba. Call dad na, dali na, call dad, dali na.
No, oh, di oni.
You have to call dad so we can go now.
Oh, di oni. Dib.
I know, but you have to call dad now.
Oh, di oni. Dib.
Ano yan? Time is running na lang.
Oh, di oni.
Alright.
Dib pong.
Yeah, you can give.
Dib.
Come on, call dad.
Ah!
Oh, I thought you wanna go.
Oh, di oni. Dib.
Ay, I don't, ano ba, your voice so, ano ba, hurts. My ears hurt.
No, di, ma'am, di oni. Oh, di oni.
Oh, no shouting.
No, ma'am, no, di oni.
Soft voice only.
No, di, ma'am, di oni. Apple, oni, apple.
Again.
No, oni, apple.
Mommy said yes.
No, di oni.
Give it to Eunice.
Oni.
But I want you to, no screaming. Soft voice only. Pwede? Can you do soft voice? No shouting? Can you do that? Yes? Soft voice only. Alright? When you speak, soft voice only. Alright?
Ma'am, po ba? Ma'am, po
But
ba?
this time, Papa,
Ma'am, po ba? Ma'am, po ba?
Hmm?
Po ba?
Put it this in the bottle. Call dad muna. Dali. Shout. It's time for you to, shout. Louder, baba. Voice. Go. Call dad. Sarap to, no? Sarap to. Potato. Potato. Sweet potato chips. Healthy products. Tropics.
Ma'am, off tip. Ma'am, tip.
Come on, call dad now. Ayan na. There we go. Dali. Call dad. Here we are. Nandiyan si daddy na sa house namin. So, hindi pa ni Jess tinatawag. Paano kaya kami makaalis, no? If Jess is not calling his dad. Call your dad na baba so we can go. Come on. Dali. Shout. Dad! Call dad.
Po ba?
Come on. Call dad first. Come on. Call dad.
Ma'am, op.
If you call dad, I'll give it to you. Come on. Shout. Do you want me to call dad? I'll call dad. Okay, I'll go down.
Tip.
Babay muna tayo. There lang yan. Okay. Say goodbye muna sa baba kasi no more battery, oh. Okay po.
Po ba?
Call. Come on, call. Call. Come on. Sige na baba. Call. Coming. Okay.
Ma, opo.
Off na natin to. Off na daw po namin tong cellphone. Thank you so much po. Babay na muna, baba. Babay.
Na po ba?
Babay na, baba. Plan kiss. Babay muna tayo.